Philip and Megan London is being promoted as a stylish fashion brand offering modern, minimalist clothing with a premium London-inspired aesthetic. But the real question is whether it's actually a legitimate fashion label or just another drop-shipping store dressed up to look high-end. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. There are countless online clothing brands today that position themselves as boutique or London-based labels. However, here's the key point. Philip and Megan London shows several signs that raise concerns about its authenticity as a true fashion brand. There are a few surface-level positives. The website usually features clean, modern design, trendy clothing styles, attractive discounts, and promotions. But that's where things start to get questionable. One major red flag is brand transparency. There's often very limited verifiable information about the company. No clear history, no real founder presence, and little evidence of an actual London-based operation. Another issue is product sourcing. Many of the clothing images appear similar or identical to items found on wholesale platforms, which suggests the products may be drop-shipped rather than uniquely designed. Pricing is also something to watch. While items are marketed as premium, heavy discounts and constant sales can be a tactic often used by lower-cost resellers to create urgency rather than reflect true value. So, is Philip and Megan London real or fake? It's likely a real store, but not a genuine premium fashion brand. It doesn't appear to be an outright scam in most cases. You'll probably receive your items, but it may not deliver quality, branding, or experience it promises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.